for a skin consultation. Since I've listened, like a lot about you on your social media. Many people told me about your place, about you, that it's been very long, and you are not just a professional. You, apart from being professional, you are generous enough. So I just trust you, and with the kind of a trust, I am here because it's a matter of my skin only. So actually, since pretty long, I've been facing these, fine lines on my forehead. I don't know why it developed over the time, but I'm pretty concerned about those. So if you can just consult me on those and what we can actually do to heal them.
Yeah. Okay, so the forehead lines which you are having, anything you do for your skincare regime, like
No, it's just a moisturizer that I do it. I don't put like many things. I don't go for facials at all. I just bleach my skin. That to be after 6 months or so. I don't do much on my skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the forehead lines are because of contraction of a muscle called frontalis.
Oh.
Yeah. So just hold the expression, look up. Yes.
You there.
Yeah, I saw your pictures and they are here right on my computer screen. So see, this is the thing which worries
Yeah. Of course. This is something.
yeah. So did you know that they are so prominent?
This is actually getting prominent. That's why I'm like here,
Yeah.
because you were seasoned. So that's why.
So this is because of the contraction of muscle. I told frontalis, and these are the these lines are visible now. And you know what happens? Like they come on expression. Initially they come on expression. Then they come on the stagnant phase also, without expression also.
Okay.
And I can see some small thin fine line getting over here. So that means it is high time we should act.
Okay.
So to prevent this, we give a muscle relaxant injection over here. This is botulinum toxin, and it relaxes your muscle. And within 6 days, you will see that the lines are like, even if you are doing this, you don't get these lines. Yeah.
Okay.
Stagnant. I can see these lines over here, and you have a peculiar kind of frontalis muscle, and everybody has different. In your case, it is not here. It is on the upper part over here. Okay.
So it will permanently going to be vanished, right?
No.
Then.
So see, Botox acts for around 6 months. You have the
So basically, for the 6 months, I don't get it, right?
And I don't want to permanently. I mean, I don't want to block your expressions completely. They develop because you have a very expressive
Of course,
face.
that's what we
and
do.
yeah,
being
and
in this industry, we
Yes,
do it actually.
exactly.
And moreover, that is in my nature also, to
Yeah.
express on every moment and every
Exactly.
word of mine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you put more emphasis, more soul into it.
Of course.
So
of
that is why you are getting this.
Okay.
So Botox is also a kind of preventive treatment.
So kind of an age I have come over here, so I can control this.
Correct age.
Okay.
Absolutely correct age.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
see, it is there right at the top of your forehead. Even in you can have a look. See, okay. Yes, release the expression and look at the top of your forehead without expression.
Oh yeah.
There are
Something is
yes,
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the indication that this is time to act.
So also I wanted to ask you, like these kind of treatments or any skin related treatment or anti-aging related treatments, they had some relevance with the age, or any age people can come over here and get the treatment done.
Yeah, see, that's a nice question. Actually, a lot of people come for these concerns when they start taking care of themselves.
Okay.
So at times people come at the age of 40, at times they come at the age of 50, when they are free from their routine daily life activities and they have got some free time. But yeah, the ideal age to start this is like 25 to 30.
Okay.
And before that, it is good to have a good skincare regime which includes moisturization, sun protection, and using non-drying face wash.
Okay.
And then obviously a very important role of diet, and above all
The lifestyle.
meditations, being
I know,
happy
since
with
you
yourself.
are into the healing process also.
Yeah, I'm a subconscious healer also.
Okay,
So that is very important, because if you're happy and at peace with what you are doing, that is so important. It will reflect on your face, on everything it will reflect. See, I am 44 years of age.
Oh my god, you don't look like at all.
Yeah, so people don't believe. I have to
Actually,
tell.
even I don't believe. If you'll say me like you are 30, I would love to believe on it. Seriously.
So, one important aspect which I would like to tell you is sleep. So 1/3 of our life we sleep, so it is that important. So along with this, I give my patients sleep hypnosis. I'll give you that. I'll share the link with you. I make meditations, and sleep hypnosis is definitely going to help you to have a good sound sleep, and you can imbibe a lot of positivity through it in your overall personality. Okay, so this is not gonna hurt. This is a very simple procedure. When I do this, uh, it's very safe, very simple. So no worries. We'll just start it. Okay.
Sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
You are gonna reflect on me. So, Dr. Shah, can you show me the product that
Yeah,
we are
this
going to
is
be
the
used?
one.
So, this is the one, guys. Actually, this is the best in the industry. So, whenever you wanted to go next, make sure you are using the best product in the industry. And I would say you should come over here. But let's see, our results. What it gonna tell?
Make a little expression. Yes. Okay. Over here. So you have a lot of lines, small ones, lots of them. Hmm? Yeah. So you can have a look in the mirror. So right now you just see a little small bump over here. This will disappear in a couple of minutes. That's
Okay.
it. So there is no social downtime of this procedure, and after 6-7 days, you will see these wrinkles gone. Now you can see they are still there. It's fine. I mean, look up. They are still there. But then after some time, you will see that these will vanish.
Okay.
And smile. Yes. So this will also reduce vanish. Okay. And
So
besides
everything
that,
will get settled.
besides that, you will get a beautiful glow on the face.
Sounds good.